Hello everyone, this is Jesse Phillips from Waypoint Technology Group. Just wanted to give you guys a quick tech tip video on how to update firmware for your GNSS receiver using Trimble Installation Manager. So a few things you'll need besides the receiver, of course. You'll need a computer or a TSC7 data collector with the Trimble Installation Manager installed on it, and a fresh battery with a charging cable that comes with a dual bay battery charger. You also need this LEMO to USB cable. So you're going to want to power your device on, either put a battery in it and power it on, or you see on this picture of the cable, there's an AC power in. You can use the charger cable for that to power the device. You want to put the LEMO end of the cable into the receiver and the USB into your computer or your TSC7 data collector. Next, you want to open Trimble Installation Manager. This message will appear. If you want to allow the app to make changes to your device, you'll click yes. After you open it, you'll see on the left there's a few different tabs you can choose from: controller, receiver, optical scanning. You guessed it, you want to click the receiver tab. You notice in the middle of the page there's all the different receivers that the Trimble Installation Manager can update. They are compatible. Once you click connect, it should give you an option to pick a COM port. You want to pick the one that has Trimble USB next to it. In my case, that was COM port 6. And then it'll start a connection to your receiver. Usually it'll take a minute or two to connect, and once it's successful, you'll see the serial number at the top left. That should match the serial number. It's on the bottom of your receiver. You also want to make sure it's set to the latest release, in this case 6.13. There should be an option to install at the bottom right. If you click install, that will start the update. You notice there's blue checks next to things that can be updated. The green dot means it's already up to date. During the updates, the receiver reboots once or twice. In some instances, it won't turn itself back on. It won't reboot automatically. When this happens, I've gotten an error that it's unable to update. If that happens, you just need to start the process over and install. And when it says reboot, if you notice there's no power to the receiver, just manually turn it back on. And that should fix that problem. In some instances, on certain PCs, a USB connection isn't possible. There's no when you go to select the COM port, there's no option for Trimble USB. So unfortunately, in some instances, this may not be possible. If it doesn't appear that USB connection is possible on your device, there are workarounds. So feel free to reach out. I'll be able to help you out with that. You notice when it's done updating, there's green check marks next to the items that have been updated. It'll say your device is up to date and ready for use. That's a good sign. And there should be an option to finish at the bottom right. And that's it. You should be good to go. Thanks everyone for watching. And feel free to reach out with any tech support needs.